everybody. This is Ilizarov external fixation. I'm going to show you how to clean it so that there will be no infection. So, first thing is that we clean it very, very good with water, a lot of water. And now, toothbrush, dedicated for that. This toothbrush also we're going to wet it a little bit. I'm using soap, just a normal soap, settle scrub it's called, very common in hospitals. And now I'm gonna dip the toothbrush in the soap and very gently but thoroughly go spike by spike. Brush it very good at the connection, at the entrance to the body, and then the rest of the spike like that. I found out that it is slightly faster if I do first the down parts and then the top parts of all the spikes. So I do it like that. And if there is an area that needs some more attention, you can do it a bit longer. And that's it. That's one side. Now the second side, I wash the toothbrush, clean it, dip it in the soap again, and now the other side. Again, bottom sides. First time it will take you some time, but then you get used to it. It's very fast. I have here this thing that I cover everything after, so that people will not stare at my leg. And that's basically it. And now I'm gonna wash my leg again. The Ilizarov external fixation really likes soap and water. This way you can keep your leg away from infections. And wash it again. A little bit of soap, even more soap. Very good. Wash it. That's it. And the next thing, I need to dry all that. And once I dry it, I do the same thing but with alcohol. 70% alcohol. Again with a new toothbrush, another toothbrush. That's it. And then I'm, how do you say, clean. Thank you very much. If you like this, then write down where you're from in the world and how did you get it. This is Yuval from Israel. Got it from a motorcycle accident. Bye.